Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, this latest episode of Uthando Nesithembu, listen, the birthday boy was coming for literally everyone, you guys. That speech that Umusa did at the beginning, I was feeling so sorry for him. I'm like, oh, shame, this speech is so touching and all of that, up until he went on to speak Igata Zendaba. And I'm just like, how different is the speech that Umusa's doing from Lendia Kulunyo Mpumelelo? Because I'm just like, this is not the time nor the place. But anyway, it's his birthday, so Sizotini. But not Umangwabe saying, guys, the first part of the speech, the wives were getting emotional. People were getting emotional. You could see people are wiping their tears. Abanye Umusa was crying there. Abanye bathi Umusa bekakhala ngesoprano. Guys, nge-pitch soprano. I'm just like, you know what? Umangwabe's busy like, hayibo mina angazi ukuthi why abantu bakhaliswa yini, because as for me myself and I ngididekile ukuthi bakhaliswa yini, because ispeech sakhe asizange sangithinta nje, like it did not touch me, and she says it did not make her feel emotional at all regarding everything he said. But one thing that was just it was awkward, you guys, was when Umusa decides to call Umangwabe's son Usimpiwe to come to the podium. What was that all about? And I have to agree with Umatalo, because Umatalo was just like, "Ay, ubabakhe nobuzingcengelo kumangwabe." I'm just like, I think that is it, because all these seasons, you guys, Musa doesn't acknowledge Usimpiwe. He doesn't acknowledge him in any sense. So why would he acknowledge Usimpiwe on his birthday and then still tell him to go around greeting people? Do you understand what I'm saying? And then still make a comment yokuthi abahlali nathi ke because thina sihlala namabhubesi. What is that even supposed to mean? Why must he even mention ukuthi abahlali nani? I was just like, Umangwabe Shem, she was not impressed by that. She was like, I don't know what Yina is Zamayo. Like, what is he trying to achieve by calling Usimpiwe Pambili or whatnot? But it just made me think, maybe Umusa Usaz Nengela. I did say at the beginning of this season, the way he's been speaking no Mangwabe, guys, you can see Wuti, he's literally begging Umangwabe to stay. But he did say, Wuti, it's not that Umangwabe has changed. He's the one who's changed towards or changed in his approach towards Umangwabe, you guys. And then Umakalo also says something, Wuti Babake told me that he would never marry a woman who has a child. So the fact that he married Umangwabe and she had a child either means Wuti was really head over heels over her, bekamthanda or something like that. But listen, Umangwabe, one thing I love about her, you guys, I don't think it's okay for someone to use something like, I don't think it's okay for Umusa to use the fact that he married her while she had kids as something that Umangwabe must use to say Wuti Wangzama or something like that, because that's the impression that Umusa has been giving. I feel like Umusa does kind of use those things at times. Even Uma Kumano's situation with Tarazali and all of that, he uses some of these things to his benefit. But listen, Umangwabe, she's not buying that, you guys. The fact that a man married her while in Ngane, she probably left her baby daddy to be with you. Who are you? You are another baby daddy or maybe a husband that it looks like she's willing to leave. Listen, it looks like Umangwabe, guys, she has settled it in her heart ukuthi uGeli, she is out. And listen, she outdid herself with that event, you guys. Everything was beautiful. And she does say, Wuti, I hope Umusa looks back at this event and he's surprised, Wuti, how I outdid myself, whereas you was treating me like trash. I'm just like, ngathi kunendaba with statements, you guys, because what does she mean treating you like trash? Or maybe is she speaking towards those comments that he's been making? But another thing that truly saddened me, you guys, was when Umangwabe is out and about with her daughter Umawande. And we come to a realization ukuthi Umawande watches Uthando Nesithembu. So you're telling me all of Umusa's children, they are watching these things and they hear the foul things that their father is saying about their mothers? And Umawanda's even saying she feels sorry for her mother because the things that Ubabwake said were not nice. Imagine Usamke when she gets into this situation, how are these children going to look at her? Because at this point, it looks like, or from what Umawanda was saying, it looks like the father chose number 5 over Umangwabe. And I'm like, Usamke, shame, I feel sorry for because ingane that are probably going to be giving an attitude to say, which when ever since you came, you broke our family apart. It's the wives, ngalana. Yeah, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. I don't know what Umusa was trying with that Simpiwe stunt, but maybe he was just trying to impress Umangwabe and the Ngwabe family, but it doesn't seem like it worked. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.